Ew, she has a hairball in her mouth.
What do you want? That was a good one.
That's
Lulu.
祝你生日快！哎呦！
This is my food.
Catnip. Was it you?
Girlfriend and I are gonna get dressed.
Wow. Crazy. You're crazy.
May I have your smelly bird?
Hi. Excuse me.
Steven! I thought you were dead!
All day without you doing something bad.
Say yeah!
Come on.
No, 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 Luna, Luna, no! Oh my God!
You.
¿Para que haga su chamba con la mariposa?
No! No! Girlfriend and I are gonna get dressed.
oh my god.
That's my boy. No, my boy! Father, help!
Do it. Sammy.
eat my plants.
Stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it.
Love each other.
Can someone explain to me why my cat's obsessed with my bras?
Look what I made for you. A little pillow.
It's a Georgie pillow. And now you're about to bite me.
Do you want to eat? Okay.
What a gentle fight.
He's not overeating, I know that. Look at...
No. No.
Oh God.
Get a dog. Dame la mano, loco.
Okay, okay. Don't do it. I'm so vulnerable right here.
Excuse me.
Tamam. Bugün yarın tamam. Hafta
Mila! Mila! Bagel, no! Bagel! Bagels! Comment. I love you. She is so angry. He's very loving and kind.
Nestle Crunch.
That's a big one. Oh.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about that. I need my referral so I can book the appointment.
You're not very nice.
It's gonna be hot.
Oh no. Dude. Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh, did she say hi? Boopy, boopy, boop, boopy, boop, boopy, boopy, boopy.
Bobby, obviously you're out of formation. Your shoulder has to line up with the back of my shoulder. No! Stop it!
Yes, sir. May I have your smelly bird?
For them who have families, I think. Do a flip!
Oh shit. I'll be right for
Ni hao. How are you?